Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. I'm going to ask you guys to make sure that everyone views this, hit the like button because it keeps me out there. And if you're new to the page, hit the like, subscribe, and most importantly, hit the notification bell, okay? Now, I want you guys to continue sharing this page because let's look at the last 24 hours of SHIBA INU. These are my Wang glasses. Remember those? For those of you that don't know, it's a different world. All right, so listen, let's get right into it. We're going to talk about SHIB, but here's the deal. I'm going to keep you guys informed with SHIB from here on out. But here's the deal. I'm going to talk about SHIB, but I'm also going to talk about other stock and other crypto in every video. Okay, so I'm not just going to be the SHIB guy, but I want to give you guys some more ways to make money that are more safe and less speculative. Okay, let's talk about SHIB. All right, remember, I am not your financial advisor. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, sell, or hold a stock. I'm telling you what Larry is doing. Now, I'm going to share with you my P&L from yesterday to today. So as we know, CoinMarketCap messed up on the existing shares of SHIB that was out there. The SHIBA INU is telling them fix it, right? I'm just giving you the gist of everything. Robinhood is saying we can't list it with all of these problems going on. And I don't blame Robinhood. You remember I call Robinhood, AKA Robin the Hood. But just think about this. Robinhood had that big mess. Remember when all you could do is sell and you couldn't buy and all of that? Just imagine if they listed SHIB and with the volume that SHIB had, that they couldn't transact those orders incorrect and they had to go back into sell only mode and you couldn't buy. It would be the end of Robinhood. And so one of the things that Robinhood is doing is they're waiting until this get fixed. And I know that CoinMarketCap, I'm saying the name incorrectly, but they're trying to fix it. Like I said on last night's video, this is not over. No one knows how it's going to go. They messed up the evaluation, which means that there's more circulating share that's out there, which equals dilution in the existing shares. Okay, follow so far? So that's what's going on in the SHIB saga. Now, I'm going to share with you guys, and listen, I'm only doing this not to go, oh, look at how many SHIB that Larry has, or this is literally to encourage somebody out there. Okay, so let's go to SHIB right now. So now look at this. This is SHIB. And what I want to show you right now is this is where the fight is, right? Let's go to the 1 day, okay? All right. Here's what I did last night. I bought more SHIB right here. It went down that low and I bought more SHIB. And so you guys know I did proper profit taking in my swing trade in my Weeble, but I actually bought more SHIB. I now have, again, over 2 billion SHIB. Okay? Now, I want you to see my P&L for just today. Look at this. Now, that number in the upper right-hand corner represents just today. From last night to just today. So now, good people, what I'm doing is I'm not bragging and I'm not saying this is not to say, oh, you got that many SHIB or everybody can't do that. No, yes, you can. The message in this is never panic sell. You see just the percentage. You see how much money I would have missed out had I panic sold yesterday. Now, if I sold today, it would not be out of panic, but I would be in a better position than what I was yesterday. Now, I don't know what the weekend is going to do, but I'm telling you guys, like I said, I've been doing this long enough to tell you. I've been doing this over 25 years, over 27 years now. It's never a good idea to panic sell. especially when I saw the volume. Yeah, I know a lot of people were selling last night out of fear. But a lot of wise investors saying, hey, this is getting in. It's like a camel walking up and bowing. Like, this is making it easier for me to get on its back. So while fear was selling, investors were buying. Okay, good people? That's what I wanted to show you guys. And that's what I'm saying. It's never a good idea. Never, ever a good idea to panic sell. It's going to cost you money. Whether you were buying it and you were still up, but now you would have made less money by selling yesterday, okay? Now here we are at this current time of shooting this video. We're at 62. Remember on yesterday, I was telling you guys that I was buying and I thought it was a good buy if it dropped under 4 zeros. So I'm gonna just say quad zero and 500. I thought it was a good support. And I put my money where my mouth is, and I now have over 2 billion SHIB because I trade on convictions and not emotions, okay? But listen, good people. If you just have all of your money in SHIB, then why are you chasing Satobi, or whatever that is, the Satami token, right? Why are you chasing Fluky? Why are you chasing those just looking for the next gamble? And it's cool if you have money in other places, good people. It's cool to get in and get out of these plays if you have money in other places. For instance, take a look at Solana. Look at what Solana did in the 1 year, right? Solana is up 16.7,000% in the last year. 16.7,000% in the last year. As a matter of fact, I'm dollar cost average buying more Solana, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to look at Ethereum. Ethereum is up 981%. 981.35%. That's how much Ethereum is up, good people. And so what's the risk to Ethereum? What's the risk to Solana? Very low. Very low. Now, I believe, and most people doing what I do believe, that these coins are just going to go up in value year over year. There's going to be volatility. It's going to be sell-offs. But if you've been rolling with me, we bought our Ethereum at 1,700, right? A couple of times. If you remember that, put it down in the comments. 1,700 is where we loaded up. And I have more Ethereum than I do SHIB. I could sleep at night with my Ethereum because I believe that Ethereum will be $6,000 a share by the end of this year. We're only a month out. We're all right, you know, next month is December, good people. At least by January of next year, I believe it's going to be at 6,000. Remember, I bought it at 1,700. All right. These are some of the principles that I want you to start adopting while we are chasing these other coins. If you've been with me for a year, I took my wife's stimulus check and my stimulus check. And you say, why did you get a stimulus check with the kind of money you make? Because we were both unemployed and filing for unemployment. That's where we were during COVID. All right. But what I did was right in front of you guys, if you remember, I took $2,400 and I turned it into $53,000 in just crypto. And I did it in real time in front of you guys. And so what I'm saying is, this is not bragging about, Larry's so good. What I'm saying is I'm encouraging you to invest, not just trade and do swing trades and just be in speculative plays. Yeah, I'm going to make a lot of money on SHIB. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to make a lot of money. I plan on it. And but That's short term. My long-term plays are the plays like Solana, like Ethereum, like Bitcoin, like Microsoft, like Tesla, like Apple. Those are my long-term investments. So I went hiking today, and I know I gotta share this with you. Here's an acorn. I was up in the mountains here in Southern California on my 5th hike, and they gather these acorns. The squirrels gather these acorns for months, getting ready for the winter, right? And so while we're in these speculative plays, I want you guys to be gathering these acorns like the squirrels, because winter's coming. And what that means is one day the speculative plays will crash. I believe there's a lot more upside. I believe there's a lot more upside for this coin. I believe it's years for the SHIB coin, because I believe that it's going to have use cases, okay? But while we're in these speculative plays, we also need to be invested, all right? So that's the deal with me, good people. If you're new to the page, I'm going to continue to tell you about SHIB. I'm going to keep you posted, but I'm also going to teach you how to build generational wealth. So we're not just getting rich, we're getting wealthy, all right? And if I've helped you in any way over this last year, do me a couple of favors. Continue to comment below, and I want everybody to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. But the biggest thing I want you guys to do for me is to continue to share my page with your loved ones, your friends, etc., because that lets me know I'm doing a good job. All right, good people. And so tomorrow, I'll probably take the day off, but most of the times I do post on Sunday nights. So I see you guys Sunday night, unless something earth-shattering happens. I may just drop in and drop you guys something on Saturday, but I'm trying to unplug just for one day, good people. I love you guys. Listen, 2 links below. I'm telling you guys, if you don't have Webull, and if you don't have Coinbase downloaded, you need to download both of these apps, especially the Webull app. Download it, that's where I do my swing trading. So if you already have SHIB in Coinbase, that's where I bought it low, I'm holding. But if you want to swing, take profits, that's what I do in the Coinbase. As a matter of fact, if you don't have $100 to put in there, just put 50, 25 in Coinbase. They will let you, in Webull, they will let you do that, okay? But just be ready so you're not waiting. Now's the time to be ready when it's still low, because opportunities are going to come like this SHIB coin. There's going to be a bunch of other coins and other stock and other opportunities, but you got to be ready. And then don't keep all of your money in the bank. You have to keep some in your trading brokerages. I don't care if it's Fidelity. I don't care if it's TD Ameritrade. You got to be armed, ready to fire. Okay, good people? We're going to see what this weekend brings. But just think about that number of how much money I'm up today. That used to be my year's salary back in the day. And I'm up that much because I did not panic sell. All right, good people? I love you guys. Have a blessed weekend. Live, love, laugh, and learn.